Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Console tables have become the trendsetters of contemporary interior design, showcasing innovative and captivating designs that transcend mere functionality. These statement pieces not only serve as a versatile furniture but also make a bold aesthetic statements. Designers are embracing diverse materials from sleek metals to natural woods to create unique and eye-catching textures. Geometric shapes and asymmetrical designs are gaining prominence, adding an artistic flair to these functional elements. Transparency achieved through the use of glass or acrylic impacts an ethereal quality, allowing console tables to seamlessly blend into various design schemes. Multifunctionality is a key focus with storage solutions and integrated technology becoming integral features. The rigorous of retro and vintage inspired designs is evident, offering a nod to nostalgia while remaining thoroughly modern, whether placed in entryways, living rooms, or bedrooms. These trend-setting console tables redefine spaces, transforming them into curated expressions of contemporary style and sophistication. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.